Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today we're going to show you how to install your windshield on your Thumper Fab cage. All of your Thumper Fab roll cages come with micro jointed laser cuts that you can punch out in order to install the rib nuts for your windshield. All you do is simply get you a hammer and a punch and punch it out. Before you install your rib nuts, you may need to clean the burrs off your micro jointed laser cut holes so that your rib nut will just slide in. You can use a file or a die grinder. Your windshield kit will come with a rib nut install tool. You will just simply thread your rib nut onto the tool, line up your hex marks in the cage, and tap it down onto the cage. Now you will take a 9/16 wrench and a 7/16 wrench. Using your 9/16 wrench to hold for backup, you will tighten the 7/16 bolt until it gets snug. Be careful not to over tighten, you'll break your bolt off. We can now remove the 3 bolts on the front of your roof. Your Thumper Fab windshield kit will come with this foam to keep it from vibrating on the roll cage. You just want to take your foam and line the outside of your windshield. Now that you've installed your foam, you can put the windshield onto the roll cage. All that's left is to install your roof bolts and you're ready to ride. Now that your bolts are tight, you're ready to enjoy your Thumper Fab windshield.